Okay, welcome to your 12-25-16 mini Christmas workout. Today we have a dog theme. We're gonna do bird dogs, downward dogs, into upward dogs. Okay, we're gonna start with bird dogs. Start on your hands and knees. Keep your core tight and just extend your leg and your opposite arm. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now downward dogs. Keep your feet on the ground. Put your head through your arms, and then moving into an upward dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you have 25, 25, 16, and 16 left. Have fun.